Junkfoodtaster.com. Here we go, my beautiful friends. So, Burger King have won again. I think the fourth time in a row. Like I promised, now it's time for the shake. I'm very tempted to eat it, but I do what I've promised. Here's the burger. So, as I was shopping, can I put it in there like this? I cut it first. The first time there's actually need to cut it. I always cut stuff. Okay, I was thinking, which liquid should I take? So I could choose Red Bull. Then I also bought Alpro vanilla flavor, but I think these two are not really matching the product, the other product. Yes. So what I was thinking, there are recipes with beer, and I'm just trying a beer Whopper. So this would be the least ridiculous. I sort of trying to stay. Now this is not stupid because the beer is of course very cold and the Whopper is warm. Wow, what's going on here? So I fill up more only on my channel. Yeah, this happens wins 4 times. It will get into the selection last time before it gets disqualified. I'm sort of confident. We had anti-cooking, and I'm sort of confident that anti-cooking wins. But I want to make a nice thumbnail. Yeah, okay, anyways. This is okay. So, let's do it, my beautiful friends. I put the thingy on. Oh, I used half of the beer or something. Here's the motor. Oh my god! Oh my god! So it should work now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, not working. So I have to put this thing in. Who was thinking that I need? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this was fast. Here is some triangles which are not aligned, but it works anyhow. I think 10 more seconds and we're good to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, why is there blue colored stuff on here? Okay. Why is it blue or green? Ah, because of all the vegetables inside. Why is there green slime on the sides? I forgot to clean up properly after the last one. Okay. So we did this icing stuff. This must be from the icing stuff. Anyways, here we go. Beer Whopper shake. Only on my channel. Oh my god, this looks so disgusting. Okay. Tastes like a Whopper. crazy. It tastes super salty somehow. Yeah. Yeah, it's bitter because of the beer, of course. I had to choose something. I was thinking like beer works better than the sweet Red Bull. This is disgusting. Bah. 1, 2 swigs here. This is left over from the patty. 1, 2 swigs are okay, but drinking the whole thing is I don't know. I have to stop. I have to throw it away now. It's sort of funny, so you recognize the patty pieces here. The non-proper. Ja, when I drink it, I vomit. There we go. This doesn't look like nothing. No one, if you would show you this, would you know this is a Whopper shake? Oh my god. So. Okie dokie. There we go. I could drink a Red Bull beer mix. So that at least something good comes. This is, yeah, little 1 swig, 2 swigs more. And I think we learned 2 things, or I experienced 2 things. First of all, it is incredibly salty. When you turn it up and everything gets the whole salt gets into the liquid, the water, it feels far more salty than eating actually the burger. Is one thing, and the other thing is you could have in here in the meat. In the patty of the burger, it seems to be there little pieces, like hard pieces, like fat or these other things, and you far more realize that they're in there instead of eating it like this. And this is definitely a fail. It's uneatable, basically. So, and I don't want to repeat this ever again. Okay. So if Burger King wins again, we eat normal products again. But the next one would be then the final farewell. Now I drink some. I have to flush. I got this disgusting taste in my mouth. Here we go, my beautiful friends. Some nice cold beer. And some nice cold Red Bull. I hope this has nice taste. Let's do it. Cheers. Yeah, this is a good drink. So because the Red Bull is sweet, the bitterness of the beer is not too strong. I don't like eating bitter stuff. Okay, there we have it. Thanks for watching. I don't know. Actually, I don't want to eat a real burger now. I just have to get mentally over it about this taste. It was also, I didn't mention it, it was like, I think, too complex. It tasted like the essence of a Whopper, but it was sort of all merged into what should be 5 different things was merged into one substance. And yeah, super ridiculous experience. Okay, thanks for watching and see you on Monday.